Hi students, welcome to RP class. Now we can see the seventh problem. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. B is 1, 4. See what they are saying. Suppose it is a circle and they are saying AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter of the circle they given and they are saying whose center is 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3. Center is 2, minus 3. I am taking that point is P. So, the center is P of 2, minus 3 and B value also they given. P point is 1, 4. B equal to 1, 4 they given. They are asking find the coordinate point of A. A point we have to find. The point I am taking x, y. One more time I just explain. They are given AB is the diameter of the circle and whose center they given 2, minus 3 and B point is 1, 4 they given and they are asking find the A value. I am taking the A value x, y. So A point I took x, y. Listen here, P is the center of the circle mean we know the center of the circle bisect the diameter AB. Bisect the diameter AB means what? P divides AB in a 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. That means 1:1 ratio. Otherwise, P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. So, P is the midpoint of AB means we can use the midpoint formula. We can use the midpoint formula. First you write, I took the center of the circle P of 2, minus 3 and the end points of the diameter is C of x, y and B of 1, 4. Next, we know that center of the circle bisects the diameter. Bisects the diameter, therefore we can use the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? P of x, y equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now here, this is a x1, this is y1 and here x2, y2. So P of x, y value is how much they given? 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3. So P of x, y value is 2, minus 3 and x1 plus x2. So x plus 1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2, y plus 4 divided by 2. X plus 1 divided by 2, y plus 4 divided by 2. Now we see both sides are equal. So we can equate the x coordinate value and we can equate the y coordinate value. So 2 equal to x plus 1 divided by 2 or minus 3 equal to y plus 4 divided by 2. Next I am taking this 2 here. So this side denominator division means here multiplication. So 2 into 2 equal to x plus 1 and again I am taking this 2 to this side. So here division means here multiplication. So minus 3 into 2 equal to y plus 4. Next 2 into 2, 4. 4 equal to x plus 1 and minus 6 equal to y plus 4. Y plus 4. Next, see x equal to, I am taking this 1 here. Here plus 1 means here minus 1. So 4 minus 1 and y equal to minus 6. I am taking this plus 4 here. So here plus means this side minus 4. So x equal to 4 minus 1, 3. And y equal to minus 4, minus 6 minus 4, minus 10. Therefore, x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 10. Therefore, the coordinate point is 3, minus 10. Therefore, the coordinate point A is 3, minus 10. Therefore, the point A is 3, minus 10. 3, minus 10. One more time I just explain. See, they given AB is the diameter of the circle and center of the circle value they given, B point value also they given. They are asking we need to find the point of A. So P is the center of the circle mean we know the center of the circle bisect the diameter. Bisect the diameter means what? P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. That's why I apply the midpoint formula. Then apply all the value in the formula. You can get x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 10. X equal to 3 and y equal to minus 10. Okay, now we can see the 8th problem. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively. Find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. First I am taking, let the given point be. Let the given point be. What are the 2 points they given? First point I am taking A, minus 2, minus 2 and B of 2, minus 4, A and B. Next, we need to find the P point. So, let the required points be. What is the required point? P of x, y. Here, how we can find the ratio? They given AP equal to 3 by 7 into AB. So, from here we need to find the ratio. Listen, they given A and B value. A and B, they given. AB point they given. And we need to find the P coordinate value. P coordinate point we have to find. A equal to minus 2, minus 2 and B 2, minus 4. These many things they given. And also they given AP equal to 3 by 7 into AB. From here we need to find the ratio. How we can find? The AB distance is 3 by 7 of AB. That means what? The full AB distance equal to, suppose 7 means here 3. Here 7 means here 3. The remaining how much? PB. Total 7. Only AP equal to 3. So remaining 7 minus 4, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. If you add me, you will get 7. See, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Therefore, the ratio AP is to PB equal to how much? 3 is to 4. Therefore, AP is to PB equal to 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Now, we know the ratio also we know. How to find the ratio? Listen carefully. AP equal to 3 by 7 of all distance AB. So, full distance 7 means from the 7 only 3 is AP. So, remaining is PB. Remaining how much? 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Like that we need to find the ratio. Now, we can apply value in the section formula. What is the section formula? P of x, y equal to m1 into x2. m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. Here this is a x1 value, y1, this is a x2, here y2, and this is a m1 and m2. This is a m1 and m2. So m1, apply the value in the formula. 3 into x2 equal to 2 plus m2, 4 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4, comma m1, 3 into y2 equal to minus 4 plus m2, 4 into y1 equal to minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. Divided by 3 plus. Now you just multiply. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 4 into minus 2, minus 8 divided by 7. 3 plus 4, 7. And 3 into minus 4, minus 12. And minus 8 divided by 7. Divided by 7. Which is equal to 6 minus 8 minus 2 divided by 7, and here minus 20 divided by 7, minus 20 divided by 7. Therefore, the P point is, therefore the point P is minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Okay. Listen. Here normal section formula only one you have to know what, how to find the ratio. They given AP equal to 3 by 4 of the old distance. Old distance is 7 mean AP equal to 3. So BP equal to 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Suppose same question there as given AP equal to some 4 by 10. 10 of AP. 4 by 10 of AP. Now how we can find the ratio? The old distance is 10 and this only this ratio AP equal to 4. The remaining is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 how much? 10 minus 4 6. Therefore the ratio is 4:6. How to find the ratio? Now you understood that. So here this is the full distance AB. AB equal to 10 mean AP equal to 4. The remaining is 10 minus 4 6. Like that we need to find the ratio. So here they given 3 by 7. Therefore 3:4 ratio. If you apply the value we will get the P point. P is minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Minus 20 by 7. Thank you students.